The Center for Basque Studies from the University of Nevada, is basically a research center, and our job is to investigate the various aspects of Basque society and culture and publish in these areas. And besides publishing our own work, we also help produce textbooks for the diffusion at the university level of different courses, and we organize conferences annually, and we publish different series in diaspora, in literature, in conference papers, in classic text, and that is essentially what we do. Plus, we also have a library that we take care of just for the research in these topics, and the reason why I'm coming here to Durango is to show to the Basque public and the Basque institutions that have helped us financially to show what we have produced in terms of books during this year.